Hi, this is Govinda Biswas. I have registered with Accredian for the postgraduate program in product management affiliated by IIT Guwahati. So I would like to share my honest experience and feedback with you all. This is one of the, I guess, in India is one of the best course. Why I will personally recommend this is because this course has been administered by the industry expert, and the kind of practical exposure, the case studies and the curriculum which you will get here, I doubt you will get in any other platform. Okay, so it's worth and value for your time, because I guess time is the most important investment as a student. And particularly about my experience and my teammates' experience in IIT Guwahati campus immersion program, it was really awesome. We learned a lot through the practical case studies and the product teardown competition, and I'm really happy, and I will recommend all to please enroll for this.